Hi, great ones. This is Madam Fola of Physique Fashion House channel. Today, we'll be learning something different. We'll be learning how to make this native cap, Yoruba fila. And what actually triggered me to make this cap is that there's this day I need to make a cap like this for a client. I seldom make a male wear, but that day I need to make it, and I just have to search YouTube to make the cap part of it. But when I search through the YouTube, all I'm seeing is the one they use Ashoke to make. I need to use the Ankara to make this, so I have to, you know, rag my brain to know how to come about it. So having done that, I just feel I should show you my loved one how I made it. So let's get started. All I'll be making use of is like just have a yard of African print Ankara. Let's get started. Now, out of my half yard of fabric, I cut out 22.5 by 17 inches. So, and I have to fold it into equal parts. I already paper stayed it. I use this light paper stay to do the interfacing all through. So this lighter one, I have done that to just to save time. And I will still be making use of this thicker one. They call this one collar stay or peplum stay, depending on how you are calling it around you there. As it is being folded this way, so the 22.5 that I cut out, I measure the head circumference of the client, and it gives me, I have there 21.5. So I added 1 inch as a joining allowance. That's how I come about this length. So the length is, the head circumference is normally 21 to 23 inches for the adult. For young baby, for children, 18 to 20 inches. So then you had your joining allowance. And as I cut it out this way, the length, the height of my cap that I'm trying to achieve is like 8 inches. So I added the joining allowance as well. So by the time you fold this 17 inches into two, it will give you 8.5. So here we have it. So as we have now folded it into two equal parts and ironed very well, one will be serving as lining, while one side will be serving as a main fabric. This is the area that will be serving as main fabric. For the hard paper stay, I don't have much of it, so I have to manage this. All we want to achieve is to measure 3 inches on the main fabric. You measure from the line where the gator is, you mark 3 inches, you mark 3 inches, you connect it, so this 3 inches now from here to here, this hard stay, I will go ahead and iron it there to give it more strength in that region. This is the region that we actually enter the head, so it has to stand. So let me do that, then I'll come and show you the next thing to do. The reason why I think there is need to share this video with you, because Ashoke already has a particular height which is not up to the cap height. So by the time you want to be cutting it, you need to be cutting it diagonally or somehow. But this one for the Ankara is straightforward. When I made it, I love it. So that's why I decided to share it with you. So now I've gone ahead to join this, as I said, 3 inches. The thick paper stay. I've placed it there. So the next thing I will do now is to go ahead, take it this way. You know, this is the main fabric now. This part, this is the lining. So you go ahead to use your 1/2 inch. You join it straight here. You join it straight here with the 1/2 inch. Then we open it and iron. Then turn it to the right side. You can see our native cap taking shape already. So at this point, if you feel it's too high for your taste, you are good to reduce the height. So, you know, we are having 8.5 here. You can reduce it to 7.5 or 8 inches. So depend, but don't let it be too short. So the next thing we will do now is to go ahead and stitch down this upper part. We stitch it down. Then thereafter, you measure what you are having there. We are having like this is 11, that's 22 inches. So you grab the remaining part of your fabric. So we want to cut out the cover now, the fabric to use and cover our cap. So, and to achieve that, what you do is that you fold your fabric. See if you want to cut out the 360-degree. So just fold it into 4 equal parts. Just this way. I'm trying to make use of the pattern. So this I want to cut out now. You will cut out 2 of it. So I will measure like 4 inches or 3.75. Because if I measure 4 inches, it will give me something around the 24. But let me cut out 3. But to be on safer side, you are good to cut 4 inches. Let's mark 4 inches. Go round. So I'll cut out another one of these to serve as lining. So let me make use of this pattern again. Yeah, one will serve as lining, one will serve as the main fabric. Yes, I have 2 of this now. So what I will do now is that I will grab this my collar stay or peplum stay. I will cut it out to gum on one of it on the main fabric. So I'll go ahead and gum this on one of these. Then thereafter I place it on itself before we now join it to our cap. So let me iron this. Now I've pasted my interfacing and I've joined the lining and the main fabric together. So at this junction, make sure you mark the lining. This is the one with a paper stay. So the next thing I will do now, and I've stitched down here. So I will just turn it to the wrong side. This is the inner side. Then this is the lining. So this is the way it's going to be. I will just go and stitch it down with like quarter to 1 centimeter. I will join it together round. Then I overlock it. and our beautiful cap will be ready. Yeah, this is the wrong side. I've gone ahead to stitch it together with less than half of an inch. So this is the wrong side. So the next thing is for me to turn it to the right side to show you how it looks. Then later I will go and overlock it. Here we have it. Our beautiful cap is here. You can see how simple it is to make. So when you put it on, just go ahead and bend it just the way you want. Some people even go to the extent of stitching it. You can just measure like a half of an inch, half inch. You draw the line straight like a 5 to 6. Then you stitch on that line, go round. It gives it more beauty. So you can do that. All well and good. This is the final look of our beautiful cap. You can see how beautiful it looks and stands very well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Just make sure you try it on. Like this video if you have enjoyed it. Like it and drop your comments on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.